Hello students, so today we will start the new chapter and the name of the chapter is adverbs. Let's begin. Chapter 12, adverbs. An adverb is a word that is used to modify a verb, adjective or another word. Adverb जो होता है वो word होता है जो यूज करते हैं हम verb को modify करने के लिए या किसी और adjective को modify करने के लिए या किसी another verb को modify करने के लिए. Adverbs modify verbs, adjectives and adverbs. They answer the questions when, where, how much. Examples: tomorrow I will meet my friend. When? My brother was hiding behind my back. Where? Meena opened the door carefully. How? They objected mildly to the suggestion. How much? Adverb phrases are a group of words that function as single adverbs to describe the action of the verb. Adverb phrases जो होते हैं they are group of words जो function करते हैं as single adverbs to describe the action of a verb. Verb के action को और अच्छे से हमें अगर define करना है तो उसके लिए like examples: carpenter hit the nail with a hammer. Bus arrived on time. I'm saving my money to buy a car. Now kinds of adverb. There are many kinds of adverb. सबसे पहले हम पढ़ेंगे adverb of manner. Some adverbs and adverb phrases describe the way people do things. अब कुछ adverb describe करते हैं कि चीजों को लोग करते कैसे हैं. कोई भी अगर कोई काम कर रहे हैं तो वो कैसे कर रहा है. So they answer the question how they are doing. How वाला question आता है. तो example: he ate my tiffin greedily. Gurmeet is behaving furiously. They waited eagerly for their friend. We left the room quietly. Virat sang the song beautifully. Nandini openly admitted her mistake. They sell everything at very low prices. Then comes adverb of place. Some adverbs and adverb phrases answer the question करता है where. They are called adverb of place. Like for examples: she placed the book above the shelf. Where वाला जब क्वेश्चन मतलब होता है where मतलब कहाँ. Sohan is standing here in front of me. Cat is hiding under the bed. It's very humid and hot outside. Now adverb of time. Some adverbs and adverb phrases answer the question when. They are called adverb of time. Example: I will call you later. I saw that movie last year. I'm going to tidy my room tomorrow. We have to leave now. I'm going to my new home tomorrow. Then comes adverb of duration. Duration मतलब time, कितने time period में काम हो रहा है. Some adverbs and adverb phrases answer the question how long, कि कितने लंबे समय तक कोई काम हो रहा है. They are called adverb of duration. Examples: however, we also go to the house regularly. They stayed up all night talking. I went to London many times before. We went early when to watch a play. Plays are mostly boring. फिर आता है adverb of frequency. Some adverbs and adverb phrases answer the question how often, कि ये काम अगर हो रहा है तो कितनी बार हो रहा है. They are also called adverb of frequency. Example: sometimes I get so angry and Alex often goes abroad for official duty. Shops are often very busy. We go to Italy once a year. I have never been to America in my life. फिर आता है adverb of emphasis. We have seen that most adverbs are describing verbs, but remember that some adverbs also describe adjectives or other adverbs. कुछ adverbs ऐसे होते हैं जो adjective को describe करते हैं दूसरे adverbs को. They are usually used to add emphasis. Like here are some examples. The emphasizing adverbs are printed in color. Examples: I really think that we should give fewer gifts. Brakes on a bike are extremely important. She simply adores him. These old tools are totally useless. That's absolutely nonsensical. Now let's evaluate. Complete the sentences using adverb of frequency. Always, often, never हमें use करना है. They had dash heard anything like it before. They had never. However, this is not dash the case. This is not always the case. I thought I should dash see you again. I thought I should never see you again. Why had she dash thought of it before? Why had she often thought it before? Still there was dash the chance. Still there was always a chance. So like this you have to fill the blanks. Now read the sentences given below and underline the adverbs. Joy always try his best. तो हमें sentence को read out करना है. Verbs adverb and करना है always. I did my homework already. We looked for the lost puppy everywhere. Everywhere. How long is the trip? How long? तो मोनिका seldom visits here. Seldom. तो इस तरीके से आपको इसमें अंडरलाइन करने हैं एडवर्ब्स. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज सर्कल द वर्ब्स इन ईच सेंटेंस में पहले हम सर्कल करेंगे वर्ब को, देन अंडरलाइन का एडवर्ब और एडवर्ब फ्रेज जो डिस्क्राइब करते हैं वर्ब को. कौन सा एडवर्ब है ये मैं बताना. एम फॉर मैनर, टी फॉर टाइम, पी फॉर प्लेस, एफ फॉर फ्रीक्वेंसी एंड डी फॉर ड्यूरेशन. सबसे पहले हम सर्कल करेंगे वर्ब्स को. द बॉय प्रैक्टिसेस प्रीच रेगुलरली. तो प्रैक्टिस आपका वर्ब है और रेगुलरली आपका एडवर्ब है. So that is your duration. It's frequency. People have gone out. तो have gone. तो gone आपका verb है. Out ये हो गया आपका place. I have heard the story before. Heard and before. Time हो गया. You are driving too carelessly. Carelessly. Driving हो गया आपका verb और carelessly आपका adverb manner. So like this you have to do this exercise. Next comes complete the sentences using adverbs from the help box. Megha dash took the eggs out of the fridge. So Megha carefully. Andrew and Lenny dash painted the fence skillfully. Mona arrived dash for her riding lesson. Mona arrived early. This is a chat we need to have privately. They will dash finish reading this book. They will soon finish reading this book. So like this, you have to find out the correct options and you have to complete the exercises. I hope you all have understood the chapter. You all can go through it again and complete the exercises. We will meet in the next video. Till then, bye-bye. Take care. Thank you.